Hello everyone, this is Rekha. Today let's understand about Ohm's law. First, let us understand what is the statement of Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that potential difference between the two ends of a conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through it, provided its temperature and other physical parameters are constant. So mathematically, it can be represented as V is proportional to I, or removing the proportionality, we have V is equal to R into I, where R is the constant of proportionality called as resistance. In other words, we can also say that the current flowing through the circuit I is proportional to the potential difference between the two ends of the conductor. So when we remove the proportionality, I is equal to G into V, where G is the proportionality constant conductance. Also, it is represented as reciprocal of resistance. G is equal to 1 by R. Now, graphically, Ohm's law can be represented in this way. Also, we call it as VI characteristics. On the x-axis, we have voltage in volts, and on the y-axis, we have current in amperes. So, according to Ohm's law, we have the equation being represented as a straight line. So, this graph indicates that the Ohm's law can be applied only for the linear devices as its characters is linear. The slope of the characteristics is 1 by R or conductance. Now let us see what are the limitations of Ohm's law. The first limitation is it is not applicable to non-linear devices, especially semiconductors like diodes, voltage regulators, etc. Second limitation is it does not hold good for non-metallic conductors such as silicon carbide, whose characteristics is V is equal to K I to the power of M, where K and M are constants. If the value of M is greater than 1, for example, I square or I cube, then this equation is not a linear, or this is not applicable to ohmic devices. So that is why Ohm's law is not applicable to non-metallic conductors such as silicon carbide because they have this particular characteristics. Thirdly, it is not applicable for arc lamps. The fourth limitation is it is not applicable to the circuits whose temperature and other parameters, other physical parameters vary, because Ohm's law is applicable only for the circuits where temperature and other physical parameters remains constant. Thank you.